Zama and Zama. Dear Dad, ngibhala kuwe kule ndawo, ethule in my mind. From battles ongazange ukhulume ngazo, but you still stood in line. Izandla zakho zikhuluma indaba engingayibonanga kahle. Sacrifice yakho ikhula silently, like imbewu ewela emhlabeni. Ubemamatheka noma isisindo, sikwehlula emhlane wakho. Turning pain into patience, uthi ngiyaphila but ngiyakwazi. But I've learned ukuthi I'm fine sometimes, kusho ukuthi ngaphakathi. A silent war enhliziyweni, no one sees you crying at night. Engingayibonanga manje how you never felt. Even when life was heavy, you kept walking through hell. Awuzange ufuna umhlaba ukwazi konke okwenzeka. I just kept moving forward, noma indlela ibonakala ngane. You are more than indaba oyilalayo, more than amagama ongazange uwasho. You are the stone that refused to break, the quiet strength in every step you take. Through zonke izinkinga ongazange usikhulume, uthe impilo lona linzima kakhulu. Dear Dad, ngiyaqala ukuqonda manje. You built my life with trembling hands. Ngiyabonga baba wami.
Men like you are taught ukuthi bangakhala, to hide their tears, to stand noma kushwaga cool, to be a rock even when the rock cracks inside, carrying the world with pain they try to hide. Pressure ain't cool, no place to fall, expected to be strong through everything, through it all. No map for the pain, no guide for the load, just walking alone on a broken road. But still you stayed when others would leave, still you worked even when you couldn't breathe. Strength, yakho, isn't just what people see, it's what you carry quietly inside of thee. Ngifisa umhlaba ongakukhonda better, the silent battles you fight weather after weather. Being a man akusiyo nje amandla phela, kodwa ukuma lapho impilo ikuchaya kakhulu.
Dear Dad, you are more than indaba oyilalayo, more than amagama ongazange uwasho. You are the storm that refused to break, the quiet strength in every step you take. Through zonke izinkinga ongazange usikhulume, uphathe impilo lona linzima kakhulu. Dear Dad, ngiyaqala ukuqonda manje. You built my life with trembling hands. Ngiyabonga baba wami. If I could give you one thing namhlanje, it wouldn't be money or reason to zomhlaba. It would be peace for all your silent nights and healing for the battles you fought in the dark. No man should suffer alone in pride, esiphatheni zobuhlungu izifihliwe ngaphakathi. So I give